In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your TikTok business account password. Whether you're beefing up your security measures or simply due for a password update, this guide will walk you through each step smoothly and securely. Let's get started. Firstly, it's important to navigate to the right place. To begin, head over to the TikTok Business Center. You can easily find this by searching online, or if you're logged in on TikTok, look for the Business Center in your account options. Once you've reached the TikTok Business Center, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll notice your profile, subtly sitting, waiting for your attention. Hover over this profile icon and you'll see a menu unfold. This is your gateway to adjusting your settings, specifically your password settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to click on User Settings. This option is designed to give you access to all your personal and security settings, ensuring you can make changes as needed. After clicking on User Settings, you'll be led to a new page. Here you'll need to locate the Password section. It's usually labeled clearly, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Once found, click on Password. Following this, you'll see the option to change your password. Click on Change and prepare to verify your identity. TikTok takes your security seriously, so the next step is crucial for ensuring that you and only you are accessing your account. You'll be prompted to get a verification code sent to your email address on file. This extra layer of security helps TikTok confirm your identity. Click on Send Code to proceed. Within a few moments, you should receive an email from TikTok with your verification code. Check your inbox and keep an eye out for any new messages. Sometimes these emails can sneak into your spam folder, so be sure to check there if you don't see it right away. Once you have your verification code, enter it into the provided field on the TikTok settings page. With your identity verified, you can now proceed to the next step. Click on Next to move forward. This will take you to the final stage of changing your password. Here you'll enter your new password. When creating a new password, aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to strengthen your account's security. The more complex your password, the harder it is for unwanted guests to gain access. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it once more into the designated confirmation field. This helps ensure you haven't made any typos or errors in your new password. Once you're satisfied with your new password, save the changes. And just like that, you've successfully updated your TikTok business account password. It's a simple process, but taking these steps can greatly enhance the security of your account. Here are a few extra tips to keep your account secure. 1. Regularly update your password, ideally every few months, to keep potential intruders at bay. 2. Use a password manager if remembering complex passwords isn't your forte. This can also help you generate strong passwords. 3. Be cautious of phishing attempts. TikTok will never ask for your password via email or message. Changing your password regularly is a key part of maintaining a secure online presence, especially for business accounts where you might be handling sensitive customer information or brand details. That wraps up our guide on how to change your TikTok business account password. Simple steps can make a significant difference in your account's security, giving you peace of mind as you navigate the digital space.